Hello, welcome to Amako Food Vlog. So today I want to be sharing with you how I cook my onugbu soup. It's a very popular soup in Nigeria, especially the Igbo part of Nigeria. So today I want to share with you how I prepare this delicious soup. But before I show you, I want to show you the ingredients that I'll be using in preparing this soup. So here I have my pounded cocoyam. I like using this pounded cocoyam because it gives this soup a very good texture. Most people like to use the dried one, but I prefer this. So I've already cooked it and boiled it. So this is my pounded cocoyam, and here is the stocks, my meat, my dry fish, and a lot of it. So here I have my red palm oil. This is my salt. This is my pounded crayfish and pepper. And this is the main onugbu leaf. This is it. This is the main onugbu leaf. And I have my 2 cubes of Maggi. Then here comes the cocoa. This is ogili, okay? So this thing, if you don't put it in this soup, you are really missing a lot. So this, I like putting it because it gives the soup a particular taste that once you eat, you feel like eating more and more. So guys, this is the ingredients that I'll be using for this onugbu soup. So join me as we cook this delicious African soup. Yeah. So first I start by cooking my meat, my dry fish, my stockfish. As you can see, is boiling, is cooking. So this is the first step I usually take. So once this is done, we move over to the next step. Stay tuned. So I poured in my pounded cocoyam to cook. Usually, most people allow it to cook very well before adding the palm oil, but my own, as I pour in this cocoyam, I usually add my palm oil instantly. Everything I do in cooking, I do measure it. So usually, I add 2 spoons of my red oil. Then I see it's not enough, then make it 3. So guys, let me show you inside of the pot. So that is it. You can see it. That is it. We'll now allow it to cook so that these lumps you're seeing, we will not see it again. It will all melt. Wow. So from here, I'm going to add my pounded crayfish and pepper. For my ogili, I usually dissolve it with water before adding it in the soup. So I dissolve it and then I add it. Then you stir it. I add my Maggi. I add my salt. So the next step is to pour in my cooked meat and all my stocks. This is the point I pour it in. So once you've added the stocks inside the soup, you turn it and allow it to cook for some time. still boiling. So this is the point where I add my onugbu, my bitter leaf that has been mashed and cooked. So I add it, then I turn it. Ooh. Our onugbu soup, our bitter leaf soup is boiling, and at this point I will say it is done. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Getting ready to dish out and enjoy my delicious African, Nigerian, Igbo soup. Onugbu leaf, onugbu soup, onugbu soup. Hello, what are you seeing here? What are you seeing? Isn't it looking delicious? Our onugbu soup is ready. Come and join me. Oh. So guys, if you like my recipe, if what I do here, if you like it, please follow me up, share, comment. It will encourage me to do more. So thank you guys. Let me go and enjoy.